Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see stretchable horizontal lines. Let's start. There are three stretchable horizontal lines. These are braces, bars and arrows. All these lines can be placed above or below the formula. First see the horizontal braces. The over brace command inserts the brace over the specified formula. Similarly, the under brace command inserts the brace below the specified formula. For example, here the brace is appeared above the expression a plus b plus 2z like this. The label can be added above or below the braces by the superscript and subscript commands. For example, here the label is added above the brace by inserting the superscript command and the text n. The n is coming above the brace. Similarly, the brace can be added below the formula. Here the brace is coming below the expression 1 plus 2 plus 299 plus 100. Next, see the horizontal bars or lines. The overline command inserts the line above the formula and the underlined command inserts the line below the formula. For example, here the line will appear above the letter X and this underline X, the line will appear below the X. Like here, X bar and the bar is shown below the X. The lines can be nested into one another. For example, here X has bar and this X has double bars. This whole left hand side expression has complete bar and the right hand side X has double bars. To write this into the LaTeX, overline in the first curly brackets write the complete expression of left hand side. Overline of X, union symbol is cup, CUP cup, and double bars with X. Overline X, and equal sign, then double bars X. Now let's see the horizontal arrows. There are multiple commands for inserting the horizontal lines. These are over left arrow, over right arrow, over left right arrow, under left arrow, under right arrow, under left right arrow. The over left arrow inserts the left arrow over the formula, and similarly the other commands adds the specified formula. Let's see an example. These are the examples. Over left arrow of letter A, the left arrow is appeared above the letter A. Similarly, over right arrow is appeared there. Over left right arrow, both arrows are there on the letter A. Similarly, under left, under right, under left and right arrows. These are the outputs. To use these arrows, add the AMS Math package in the preamble part of the document before the begin document environment. Let's see the last example. Here the expression u complement minus p of x, u square minus q of x, u minus r of x has the under brace and a subscript. Subscript has the text is equal to 0 since u is partial solution. It will appear like that. Whole expression is written. Below the expression there is a under brace and under brace has a label of subscript equals 0 since u is partial solution. You can follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn and GitHub, and there is a Facebook group regarding LaTeX learning. You can also join that group. Please consider like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.